Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging for you. Before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate and love every one of you, and I am so thankful to all of you. So, in this bag is something that was sent to me. And I have it upside down because my info's on the other side. So, let's get this open. Alright, so, this is sent to me from a lady by the name of Catherine. And she has got a company called Traditional Craft Kits. And she is located in California. And this is what she has sent to me. And these are beginner basket kits. Alright? If you've ever been interested in basket weaving, this is the place you need to go, because these are all beginner kits. And these are her 6 beginner basket kits. And as you can see, they are gorgeous. And look, it even shows you how long it'll take you to do each one of these baskets. Wow. And that's for a beginner. That is nuts. These are beautiful. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to tell y'all a little bit about Catherine and her company, okay? So, she sent these to me to review with y'all. But the individual kits, all just one kit, is only $12.95. Alright? But you can get all 6 of these for $59.95 on her website. And these are all beginner kits. There's 6 different ones, and they can be purchased individually or in a set. And this business is run by Catherine. She is a one-person family business. She bought this company from her mother back in 2011. Her mother started this business in 1985 with one kit. All right, so that in itself is amazing. But Catherine bought it from her mom. And since she purchased the company from her mother in 2011, she has added several kits, and she has more in the works right now that she's working on. The kits, a lot of these kits were requests from the public stores and museums. Most of Catherine's sales are wholesales to different stores. And the rest comes from her website, online retailers like Amazon, Walmart, Wish. That's just an example of the different places that have purchased her kits. But she, in the last year, shipped out over 20,000 kits. Is that not amazing? I mean, come on. 20,000 kits. That is nuts. Alright, so she's a mom of 3. She's got 1 in college, and then she's got 2 in high school. And she loves her craft. She loves the art of basket weaving. She's also told me that basketry is an essential human skill because it allowed for storage of food and supplies. And she said that it's one of the most difficult skills to master, and that even the machines cannot replicate the detail that is achieved by the basket weavers. And in order to do this, you must have patience. But She has also got, on her website, she's also got pottery kits. She's got weaving kits. She's got twig kits. She has got all kinds of stuff, y'all. I mean, it's amazing what all this lady can do. And she just doesn't have kits on her website. She's also explains, you know, what basketry is, what started, you know, she goes into the history of pottery, of basket weaving, of, you know, of everything that she has on there. She goes into detail with the history and everything else. And I think that is very cool. But her paper on here is Traditional Craft Kits, Learn, Create, Inspire. And they are made in the USA. And each comes with quality materials and step-by-step instructions. And they're gorgeous. They're absolutely gorgeous. And you know, I have grown up and watched, you know, TV shows where people are doing baskets, and it looks so pretty the way that they do it. And it's just like, you know, some of them women can sit there and just and they're gorgeous. They're absolutely gorgeous. So each one of these, okay, so this is the twined basket kit for beginners. All right, and it makes one twined basket that's about 3 inches wide and 3 inches tall, and it's for ages 8 plus. And then everything you need is in here. So let's just go ahead and pull this one out and look at it. And I hope I can get it back in there. Okay. So, oh my gosh, look. These are kits. These are more kits that she has that are available. Oh my goodness, y'all. And look, this is what I was talking about. She's got pottery. She's got twig. She's got weaving. She's got finger weaving. These are so pretty. Pottery. Yeah, she's just got all kinds of stuff. Isn't that pretty? And look at the designs in these. That is just gorgeous. Can y'all see this? Okay, let's look and see what's in here. So we have, oh gosh, I hope I can get this back in here. So these are your instructions, and wow. So she really goes into detail showing you how to do this. So this is really neat. So, I mean, she gives you the measurements and everything. And I mean, it is close up to where this is so cool. Look at that. It just looks so, it looks braided. Oh, I think this is going to be hard, yet I think it's going to be a lot easier with her instructions because they are so plain and large. I like the fact that they're large. So that is the bottom. Yeah, so wow. And this one, she said, takes about an hour. Takes about an hour to complete. Wow. Is that not gorgeous? That is so pretty. So, y'all, here is her website. But like I said, I'm going to put the links on in my description box so that y'all can go and check this out. And hopefully get you a kit because they're not expensive. And like I said, I really enjoy crafting. I enjoy all crafts. I just might enjoy some more than others, but I do enjoy all crafts, and I would like to say at least I tried to do some of everything. As, what is it they say? Oh, how does that saying go? Jack of all trades, master of none. I'd probably be a jack of all trades and master of some. But, you know, at least I could say that I tried. And I just think I love that one. That one is so pretty. So, what do y'all think? I mean, has any of y'all ever, you know, just wondered, you know, what it might be like to do a basket, to make a basket? So, yeah. So, y'all, I'm going to put all the links in my description box. And I just want to say thank you to Catherine for sending these to me, because she didn't have to send me all of these at all. But I am so excited to try one. And I just think they're just gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. So, y'all, please go check out Catherine's website and pick y'all up a kit. Like I said, they're just for a single kit for the baskets are like $12.95. I don't know how much the other kits are, but I'm sure they're not that much. So, and yeah, you don't even have to do a basket kit. You can get a weaving kit or pottery. I mean, come on. She has got a lot of things on there, and her website's really neat, and it's very interesting and educational. So even if you don't get a basket, go read about them, because she does. She goes into the history about everything. So, all right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you, Catherine, for sending these to me. And I appreciate each and every one of you. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.